I'm going to add this MOMAX tag to my phone. So I'm going to click FindMy and open that app. And I'm going to go to items, and you can see I have a tag that's Eric's luggage. And then I'm going to pull this battery thing out. Set my phone down so I can actually do that. All right. You heard it made that little sound, so now it's active. And let's see. I'm going to go here. I'm going to click plus, and I'm going to say add other item, because this is not an AirTag. So if I say add AirTag, it'll be looking for an actual AirTag. I'm going to say add other item, and now it's looking, and see, it found it right away. MOMAX BR5. I'm going to say connect, and I'm going to enter the name of this. I'm going to say Eric's bag. Continue. And I can choose an emoji. I'm going to use a backpack emoji and say continue. And now this item is linked to my Apple ID, and I can locate this item using the Find My network. That's how easy it is to add this tag, and now I can put this in my bag, and I'll be able to use Find My to locate it.